Introducing Education Pack, which consists of different modules and craft materials to help students understand how simple coding around us works with hands-on experience. The sensors, output modules, wires, and coding modules allow children and educators to dive into significant robotics projects. Power module, LED module, slide dimmer plus LED module, slide dimmer plus buzzer, motion sensor plus buzzer, fan module, slide dimmer plus splitter and DC motor, the color coding helps the user to determine the function of the modules. Yellow for input modules, blue for output modules, and red for setup module.